Please rise for the Pledge of Allegiance. Place your right hand over your heart. Ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may be seated.
Good morning, CI.
I'm Perla.
And I'm Michaela, and these are your news and announcements for today, Tuesday, January 24th. Attention seniors, are you fluent in another language other than English? Then you can be a possible candidate for the State Seal of Biliteracy.
To keep our short live tradition alive, ASB would like to host another year of our Black History Month door contest. You have approximately 4 weeks till February break, so we will judge the doors when we pass out rally tickets on Thursday, February 16th. You may choose what class period will participate in, and the winning class will win a surprise.
For you new folks, attached are pictures of last year's contest. Don't forget to ask for the Harvest of the Month from the cafeteria during lunch. The Harvest of the Month is a kale Caesar salad with kale, apples, mozzarella, sunflower seeds, and dressings. You can get this salad on Tuesdays and Thursdays.
Yearbook is selling Krispy Kreme donuts, $16 for a dozen glazed. See any yearbook students or Mrs. Lopez in room 96. Last day to place an order is February 2nd.
Support our girls softball team by buying a box of Krispy Kreme donuts, $15 per dozen, ends February 12th.
The Saturday Enrichment Academy is back. Upcoming dates are January 28th from 8:30 to 12:45 in the library. Make up your work, catch up on assignments, or clear an excused absence.
Students, nominate a teacher for the Tremendous Teacher Award.
Clothing Shoe Bedding Drive. ASB is hosting a clothing drive. Please bring your unwanted clothes, coats, shoes, sheets, and blankets to the ASB room. The drive will last throughout the month of January.
Upcoming events. Raider Fest is coming.
Sporting news. Congrats to the boys wrestling for becoming league champs. Raiders boys volleyball tryouts are this week, Thursday and Friday at 5 o'clock. Bring your volleyball attire, meet in the gym. Questions? Ask any volleyball player. Boys golf information meetings are Wednesday, January 25th.
Are you a seasoned veteran or thinking about taking up the sport? The boys golf season is around the corner. There will be a boys golf informational meeting this Wednesday in room P2. The meeting will start at 12. All experience levels are welcome.
Sports on tap. CIHS track is recruiting. Interested in joining long distance? Go to room 39 to talk to Miss Anthony or email her at megan.anthony@oxnardunion.org. Season begins soon.
Cheer tryouts will begin in March. Stay tuned for more info. And now we go to Mr. Gillespie.
Hey Raiders, this is Mr. Gillespie. I wanted to let you guys know about our upcoming open house. It will be on Thursday, February 2nd from 5 to 7:30. It's a great chance for you to come out and talk to your teachers, but not only for current CI students, but also for incoming 8th graders. So if you have any brothers, sisters, cousins that you think might be interested in attending Channel Islands, then invite them. So that's open house February 2nd from 5 to 7:30.
And we are back.
Current events. How the Lunar New Year unfolded: a night of ballroom dancing, terror, manhunt, a gunman opened fire at a Monterrey Park dance studio late Saturday, killing 10 people and wounding 10. He went to another dance studio in Alhambra but was disarmed by two people and later killed himself in Torrance.
Check out the January schedule for the Rincon Wellness Center.
Do you have any photos or videos you would like to promote? Please send in your announcements at least 24 hours prior to the scheduled broadcast. Reach out to us at cipictureoftheday@gmail.com.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to CI Live. If you would like to participate, send an email at cipictureoftheday@gmail.com. Thanks for watching.